always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on!
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
Let's sing the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now this time, let's sing together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
That was lovely. Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. We've been waiting for you.
Mr. Goose, we've been waiting for you.
For me?
Yes, to tell us the letter of the day.
Oh, of course. Let's check the letter board. Today's letter is L. L makes the sound L in ladder. Monkey, repeat after me. L, L, ladder.
Ladder.
Now you try.
Ladder.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Monkey, you can stop repeating what I say.
But lovely also begins with L. Lovely.
Well done, Monkey. And here are more things that begin with L.
Leaf. Leaf. Ladder. Ladder. Lamp. Lamp. Lion. Lion. Ladybug. Ladybug.
What letter do all these words start with?
L.
That's right, the letter L.
yes.
Mr. Goose, can we trace a letter?
Absolutely. Let's practice making the letter L. Who can think of a fun way to do it?
Ooh, I know. Let's trace letters on the dirt using the watering can.
Well, that sounds like a great idea. Pig, why don't you go first?
Yeah! L.
Great!
I'll try next. L.
Terrific tracing! Now, let's trace the lowercase letter.
I want to try. L. Ooh.
Nice job!
My turn. L.
You did it! Let's look at the letters we made. What's this letter?
L.
Exactly. Uppercase L. And what's this letter?
L.
That's right. Lowercase l. Nice job.
Wow! Cool!
Nice work, everybody.
Thank you, Mr. Goose. L.
Hi, it's me, Pig. Let's do a letter dance. Say L.
L.
All right, say it again.
L.
Groovy. Let's dance. Letter L. Letter L. What's that letter? Letter L. Every letter makes a sound. What's this sound? Let's break it down. Get down.
Lemon. Lamp. Lion. Laugh. That's the letter L.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. That's the letter L.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
L.
Groovy. I love dancing together. Bye. Letter L. Letter L. What's that letter?
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called The Lost Laugh. In this story, Hyena loses his laugh. I wonder where it could be. Let's find out. Let's begin. The Lost Laugh, written by Michelle Preen, illustrated by Karen Lilja, designed by Vilna Kombrink. Spotty the hyena is very sad. He has lost his laugh. Please help me find my laugh, Giraffe. I can't hear a laugh up here. Please help me find my laugh, Hippo. I can't hear a laugh down here. Please help me find my laugh, Warthog. I can't hear a laugh in here. Please help me find my laugh, Monkey. How did you lose it? When I laugh, you can see my big teeth. That makes everyone frightened, said Spotty. Then I got sad and my laugh just disappeared. I can't find it anywhere. But you were looking in the wrong place. Monkey jumped out of the tree and picked up a feather. Then she began to tickle Spotty all over. Slowly, Spotty started smiling, and then he let out a big, loud laugh. He laughed and laughed until he was rolling around on the ground. All the other animals started laughing too. Where did you find his laugh? They asked. His laugh was inside him all the time. I just made him happy, and out it came. They all laughed and laughed so that their teeth showed too. I'll never lose my laugh again, said Spotty, the happy hyena. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you something called patter cake. It's not a song, it's a chant. Listen. Patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me. Now let's all try it together.
Patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Splendid! Let's do it one more time. I want to hear you too. Here we go.
Patter cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Pat it and roll it and mark it with a B. And put it in the oven for baby and me.
Well done.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Let's look for rectangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is. We did it! Yay! See you! Hi, Fox. What are you doing? I'm making patterns. Oh, patterns? Goody! What are patterns? They're designs that repeat. Look! Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle. What comes next? I'm not sure. A rectangle. Let's say the names of the shapes together. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Triangle, rectangle. Oh, I see the pattern. I hear it too. Triangle, rectangle. Right. Oh, can I help you make another pattern? Sure. Let's make another pattern with these same shapes. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle. What comes next?
Triangle.
You got it! Let's say it together. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. Rectangle, triangle, triangle. What's the pattern? Rectangle, triangle, triangle. That's it.
Oh, can I make a pattern?
Sure.
My pattern is going to use shapes and colors. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle.
Do you know what comes next? A white triangle.
That's it! All together! Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Can I borrow your glue stick, please? I want to glue these down.
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle. Black rectangle, white triangle, white triangle.
Do you want to make another pattern?
No, I want to go and tell Miss Panda. Miss Panda! Miss Panda! I made a pattern!
Bye, Hedgehog! See you later! Bye, friends! See you later, too! Whee!
Oh, hi! Let's play together and monkey around. Whoa! Goodbye, friend. I'm glad we got to play together today. Goodbye!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye!
Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Little boy blue, come blow your horn. The sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the haystack fast asleep. Come blow your horn, the sheep's in the meadow, the cow's in the corn. Where is the boy who looks after the sheep? He's under the